Hello everyone, and thank you so much for being here today. I'd like to tell you 3 short stories. The first one is about Pavitra and Sainath, 2 kids in northern Karnataka, who would go home for their holidays every year and really lament at the fact that they would see these mountains of groundnut shells piled up on the countryside. So they came up with an idea to make paper out of groundnut shells. And the idea really came when Sainath saw his grandmother cooking a lady's finger and the fact that it left behind a gluey residue, which then became the glue to hold the groundnut paste together. A brilliant idea. The second story is about a girl called Uma, whom I saw in a village, dusty, hot village in Andhra Pradesh. And I asked her, Uma, what impact has Agastya had on you, if any? And I thought she'd say, I'm doing fantastic in my studies and science and so on, which she was. But she didn't say that. She looked at me and said, Sir, I'm not afraid to speak anymore. Now that was my aha moment. The third story is about Velu Murugan, a young boy whose father would get into frequent brawls and had a very fiery temper because he was an alcoholic. And Velu Murugan started to visit the Agastya campus, and he completely changed and transformed his attitude. Went back home and over the course of the next several months convinced his father to stop drinking. Imagine that, a young boy convinces his father to stop drinking. And as if that was not enough, he persuaded a lot of people in his village to stop smoking and even helped to mainstream a lot of dropouts back into the school system. 3 stories about curiosity and creativity, about confidence and about humanity. And that is what Agastya is about. Curiosity, confidence and humanity, which we are trying to instill and disseminate through millions of children across India as well as school teachers, using our creative hands-on science-based pedagogy. But we've also brought in the arts and the humanities now. I greatly appreciate, on behalf of Agastya, your presence here today. We're honored and look forward to your continued engagement with Agastya to make our dream of a creative India full of curious souls happen in the near future. Thank you very much.